In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change the oil on a Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Before we start, you want to make sure that your engine is cool and you're working on a flat surface. First, I drove the Monte Carlo up onto a set of rhino ramps. These make the oil pan easier to access without having to mess with jacks and jack stands. With the parking brake on and wheel chocks behind the rear wheels, it is now safe to get under. With the car now secure, I place the drain pan under the oil pan. I then remove the drain plug using a 15mm socket and let the old oil drain out completely. Always check your washer or gasket on the drain plug and replace it if it's needed. Once the oil has drained from the oil pan, it's time to reinstall the drain plug. Next, I move the oil catch pan underneath the oil filter. The oil filter is located on the passenger side right behind the passenger front wheel. I was able to access it without having to remove anything. And I removed the old stubborn oil filter with an oil filter wrench. Making sure the old rubber gasket came off with it. Before installing the new filter, I lightly coated the gasket with fresh oil to ensure a good seal, then hand tightened it into place. I added fresh oil through the oil fill cap on top of the engine. The Monte Carlo typically takes about 4.5 quarts of oil, but always double check your owner's manual for the correct type and capacity. Once that's finished, I started the car, let it run for a minute, then shut it off and check the dipstick to make sure the oil level was right where it should be. And this is also a good point to check for leaks. And remember to recycle your old oil. Most auto parts stores will accept the old oil to recycle. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.